Hey everyone, where it's Magalia. Today, in my time, it's the 1st of January and I decided to paint. To start this beautiful 2022 with painting self-portrait. Even if I make a sketch with a pencil, I know that at the end it won't be the same because when I take color paint, my mood changes. I noticed. It depends on my mood, what am I drawing, and just realizing that I can't do that many details. Drawing with a pen or pencils gives you more opportunities. You can work on the details, but not all artists like to do it. We have a lot of different kinds of art. Some like to do realistic, some don't. I'm that person that likes to see everything. In a museum, I want to see not just one type of art. I want to see opportunities. I want to dive in someone's point of view, the way they see this world. That experience is already inside of you. You choose the colors. You won't take those colors you don't like. You won't eat something you don't like. You won't meet that person if you don't want to go. It's obvious. So if you have that art block and you don't know how to start, you are afraid of blank canvas, here's my advice. I never know what I will draw. I can't even guess. It's in the present moment. When you paint, it's the process in the present moment. And in the present moment, we draw what we feel now. What we want to feel in a few minutes, in a few days, in a few weeks, in a few years. Or something that happened in the past but still has its roots here. And we want to do something with it. It's heavy to have a lot of ideas inside and not releasing them. So release them. If you're afraid, thinking, I don't know what to paint, I don't know where to start, just start. And then you are unstoppable. I was not painting for 2 years. Now I understand that it really helps. It helps mentally. It helps you to stop thinking about your problems. It helps you to release your energy that is full. Those ideas, you give them a birth, a material form. And that material form, that painting, maybe will help someone. It was not just for yourself, but I think that's why we have museums. So people feel it too. We are the only live being here on this planet that draw, that do art. Yes, elephants and other animals can draw too, but it's not in their priorities, or it's not in their interest. It's not something they're doing in their basic life. But we people talk through images. That's how we communicate. That's how we translate someone's story. I decided to paint self-portrait because now, in the present moment, I go through facing myself. And this is the way I reflect who I am. So I can see it like I'm looking in the mirror. This is the way I see myself. As you noticed, I love yellow, it's my favorite color. And also, you saw that I started completely in a different way. And everything I draw with a pencil is completely different result. This is what I was talking about. In the present moment, it changes. You had an idea a few days ago, or a few hours ago, or even 15 minutes ago, but when you take colors, everything changes. And that's the beauty, that's the magic of art. If you like my portrait and you think we look the same, let me know in the comments and give a like to this video. And if you never draw self-portrait, you should do it. Try it. I hope you will notice a lot of things about yourself. Why you chose those colors, what is the association, and what elements you are making bigger and smaller. Those elements can describe you. That's how you can face yourself through art. Thank you for watching. Bye.